Hello and welcome to my video presentation for PyCon India 2021. My name is Jose and I'm a full stack developer based in London, and I'm the author of Developing Microservice APIs with Python. In this presentation, I want to talk to you about the strategies, the tools and the frameworks that we can use to deliver successful API integrations with Python. See, I've been working with APIs for a long time, and I've helped various clients to deliver successful API integrations. Along the way, I've made multiple mistakes, but I've also learned valuable lessons about what it takes to deliver successful APIs. The first thing we need is API documentation. Once we have API documentation, both the client development team and the server development team can work in parallel to build their applications against the specification. And then we can use different tools like Thread or Schema Thesis to validate our implementations against the specification. I'll show you how you can use those tools to your benefit and how you can incorporate them into your continuous integration server to make sure that your applications comply with the specification before you even release them. This process decreases significantly the chances of API integration failures. Now come along and join me in this journey.